Hello everyone, and welcome to break 6,656 for the 2022 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, July 31st, 2022. It's 10:52 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:52 p.m. Central Time, 8:52 p.m. Mountain Time, and 7:52 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Eagle Trop with 3, Sir 5, CH West 1, Sir with 3, Turk 2, Mad Dog 1, Turk 1, Ram 3, Nepal 1, Ish 4, CBD Cards 2, Ed Warpit 1. I chef around with 3 teams. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine those teams for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mad Dog on top, Eagle Trop on the bottom. Mad Dog with the Diamondbacks, Turk Braves, Orioles, CH West Red Sox, Ed Warpit with the Cubs, Ish with the White Sox, CBD Cards with the Reds. I chef around Indians. I chef around Rockies, Ish Tigers, Sir Astros, Royals, Angels, Ish Dodgers, Ram with the Marlins, Brewers, CBD Cards, Twins, Eagle with the Mets, Sir Yankees Athletics. I chef around Phillies, Ram with the Pirates, Sir Padres, Nepal Giants, Trop Mariners, Sir Cardinals, Turk Rays, Ish Rangers, Sir Blue Jays, and last but not least, Eagle with the Washington Nationals. All sealed up. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. We have a Mark McGwire, 13 out of 15, 161 hits. Very cool. Oakland Athletics. Oakland A's edition. 1987 had 161 hits. Very nice. Who has the Oakland Athletics? Oakland Athletics is Sir 9455. Congrats. And that was break 6,656 for the 2022 Hit Parade Baseball Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in bonus 174. And up next is break 6,690 for the 2022 Gold Rush Multi-Sport Value Pack. Thanks.